Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, today's video, as you've gathered from the thumbnail, it is regarding Windows 11 issue. Like many of the old users, like who are having older generation laptop or desktop, their personal computers, they are unable to install Windows 11 on their laptop or the desktop. So there is a way around this, and it's a trick or a hack. You can call it as a trick. And I'll be taking you through this trick step by step, so stay tuned with the video till the end. And before that, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, do subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video, and stay tuned with the channel because I keep bringing such technology videos. I do unboxings also, so please stay on the channel. And without further ado, let's start with the video after the intro. Let's begin. Let's go ahead. So guys, as you can see, I'm trying to upload update Windows 11 on this PC. This is an old PC. It's a Lenovo branded PC. So now I have downloaded the ISO image from Windows registered website, and I'll just show you the image of the ISO. See here, it's downloaded. This is the ISO file. And now if I'm trying to update it, we get an error message. First of all, I have to mount this ISO, so you have to right click on it, and here is the mount button. So you just press the mount button and the ISO gets mounted, which is this. So when I try to run the setup as administrator, it runs, but it will give you a TPM security error and a UEFI BIOS error. So the Windows update will not be able to process the update because it's an old laptop. So how to bypass this? It's a small trick I'm going to show you right now. Just click on next. It's checking for the updates. See, now it's checking your PC's configuration. So here you get the error message. If you're having an old laptop or a desktop, you will get this error message saying that the processor isn't supported. For this Windows 11 version, the PC must support TPM 2.0 and the PC must support secure boot. So you will not be able to go ahead in the installation of Windows 11. So how to bypass this? The entire video I'm making for this purpose. So I will teach you how to bypass this, and you can install Windows 11 on any old machine of yours. So I'll teach you how to bypass this now. Just cancel this, exit from the setup. So guys, when you're out of the setup now, you are back into the installation folders of Windows 11 with the folders which you have mounted. So what I've done is that I've extracted the mounted folders. I've just copied it into the Windows 11 extracted folder. You can just do one thing. You can just highlight this ISO image of Windows 11 which you have downloaded from Microsoft website, and you can just mount it like this and copy all these folders and files and just paste it by creating a new folder in your relevant drives like I have created over here. You can just go and create a folder of Windows 11 and paste all these files for installation over here. And now what you have to do, now this is the part of the trick. When you go into the copied files and folders, you have to go into the source folder over here, and there will be a file which is called as appraiserres.dll. This is that file. I've highlighted it. You have to just create a backup of this file which I have created here on the desktop, and you have to just create a backup of this file, and you need to delete this file. Just delete it. So I'm deleting it right now. Now I'll be sharing a modded file, which is a file which you have to place here in this folder, and that is a modded file. I'll be sharing that file with you in the description. I'll be sharing a link to download that file. You can just download that file from the description, which will assist you to install Windows 11 in the older generation of laptops. But mind it, your laptop should have a processor which is having a speed which is greater than 2 gigahertz, and it also requires RAM which is more than 4 GB installed in your laptop or your desktop, because that is the capacity which is required by Windows 11, minimum capacity to run Windows 11 smoothly on your laptop or your desktop. So keep that in mind. 2 gigahertz and 4 GB of RAM is bare minimum requirement. So this laptop has that. So I'm trying to do this on this laptop, and this is a Lenovo IdeaPad. So I will do one thing. I'll just go into my pen drive now, and I will, the file which I was talking to you about, which is the modded file, I'll try to copy that file into that folder now. This is that file. I'll just show it to you. So this is that modded file. I'll just click on that file. I'll just copy it. I'll be sharing with all you viewers this file in the description. I'll be putting a link. You can just download this file from the YouTube description link below, so that you can install the Windows 11 by changing this file on your computer as well. So back again, I've copied that file, and I'll be placing it in my Windows 11 installation folder, the source folder, where I had copied all the Windows 11 files and folders. So this is the source folder. You have to go inside this and just right click and paste it over here. So I'm just pasting that. Here it is. Again, back now, there's only one appraiserres.dll file. You just need to check that. And this file, appraiserres.dll, is the file which is the modded file. So now when we run the setup will be bypassed, and it will allow you to install Windows 11. So we will be doing that right now. So let's go back and try to run the setup. This is the setup file. You need to run it as an administrator. I'm running it as an administrator now. Yes. Let's minimize this. Setup will start. So now the setup has started. You can see the setup has started. Let's see now whether it gives that error message again, or is that error message bypassed. So this setup you need to do next over here. See, now it goes to the next step. Applicable notices and license terms. So yes, that error message was coming initially has been bypassed now, and you can just accept this policy, notices and license term, accept. Make sure it's updating the system now, and that message has been bypassed of checking the PC. And now it's trying to install. See over here. And this process will go ahead and it will take you to another screen, from which you can select whether you want to keep your files or you want to do a fresh copy of Windows 11 install. I'll just show that screen to you also as well. Let it check the updates. So guys, as you can see, I'm live recording this just for the reason that I can do this with a screen recorder, but then again, a screen recorder is not live, and it sometimes reflects as if I'm doing a gimmick on my video. So that's the reason why I'm recording it live, so that my viewers know that this is actually happening live. So guys, this is the next screen. The updates were completed and you are ready to install Windows 11 now. So it will be giving you these options: install Windows 11 Pro and keep personal files and apps. So this option needs to be checked, or else if you want to do a fresh install of Windows 11 by deleting all your files, you need to go inside this option. So you will be presented with these three type of options: keep personal files and apps, keep personal files only. In that case, all the apps of Windows will be deleted, and keep nothing. So if there's nothing option, if it is selected, so all the files and data would be deleted, and the PC will be into a fresh installation, and all the files which were there on your hard disk or your SSD, that will be deleted, and it will be a fresh Windows. So in my case, I need to keep these files, so I'm going to select this option and move ahead. So you need to select that keep personal files and apps, and I'm going to click next. So as you can see, I'm keeping personal files and apps, so it is ticked over here, and install Windows 11 Pro is ticked. So I've selected that option. I'm going to hit install now. So now see, it started installing Windows 11. Your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. So yes, this really takes a while. It installs around 40 minutes to 45 minutes. It takes the installation to complete. So guys, as you can see, the installation has been completed to 57% now. Let's wait for 100%. And it's the same laptop. Let's wait for it to complete in 100%. So guys, as you can see now, Windows 11 setup is complete to 100%. Now it's giving me a message that your PC will restart in few moments. So this shows that the Windows 11 is successfully installed. And after the restart of the laptop, we will be greeted with a Windows 11 welcome screen. That will be the initial setup screen of your login ID and password. I'll do that and I'll take you to the Windows 11 desktop and I'll show you how it looks. So guys, finally we have booted into Windows 11 and this is the same laptop, and this is how the desktop of the Windows 11 looks. Let me take you to properties. So you can see it is edition Windows 11 Pro version 21H2, installed on 27/11/2021, which is today, and it's a 64-bit operating system. And one thing you have to remember is that Windows 11 comes in only 64-bit version, so you need to have a 64-bit supporting processor to install Windows 11 Pro, and you need to have minimum of 2 GHz of speed of the processor and 4 GB of RAM available in your system, in your laptop or your desktop, to install Windows 11 Pro. Let me take you to the personalized section now. So here you can see everything is working fine. If you go into themes and I'll try to apply a dark theme, here all the transparency and everything is working. Everything is working fine. Here you can see transparency and everything is working. So that's it. We have successfully bypassed and installed Windows 11. You can install the Windows 11 in older computers. Only thing is that you need to remember the basic requirement which I have told you in this video. So let me take you back to the studio now. Guys, I'll be leaving the two file links in the description below. Like, one is the file which is the modded file which you need to update in the source folder of Windows 11 extracted ISO. So I'll be leaving that appraiserres.dll file in the link description below with a link to download. So you can easily download it from there and you can paste it in your source folder of Windows 11. Now guys, the second link will be the link to download the ISO from the Microsoft website itself, directly uploaded by Microsoft. So you can just go onto their website. I'll be leaving that link in the description to download the ISO from which you can extract the ISO and do the further modifications which I have told in this video. So I'll be putting both the links in the description below. So guys, this was it. I hope you have gathered like the points which I made from the video. Like, you can go around with this installation on the older generation laptop or PC. Only three things there are to remember. The first thing is that you will be able to upload Windows 11 only on the computers which are having a 64-bit processor. There are two types of processor, one is 32-bit and one is 64-bit. So 64-bit processor is must required because Windows 11 runs on 64-bit. Apart from that, there are basic specification which Windows 11 requires, like as I've told you in the video, minimum 4 GB of RAM requirement is there for the Windows 11 to run smoothly on any computer. And apart from that, the processor needs to have a speed more than 2 GHz. If the processor is supported more than 2 GHz, the Windows will be running smoothly, or else you will be facing issues. Guys, the third thing is that you need to have a licensed version of Windows 10 while you update to Windows 11. You need to be a registered user, and that will enable you to have Windows 11 with the full features when you update from Windows 10 to Windows 11, and that happens automatically. So you need to remember these three things. So guys, that's it. I hope you've liked the video. Do smash the like button if you have liked the video, and stay tuned with the channel by pressing that subscribe button, the red button below. And stay tuned with the channel because I keep bringing such videos. And that's it from my side for today. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.